How to refund or cancel an Etsy order. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will teach you how you can refund or cancel an Etsy order, so kindly watch to the end. The first step, of course, is to log in into your Etsy account by signing in into Etsy.com. And then once you've done that and you're on the Etsy page, you will be brought to the page where you'd see your recently viewed materials or items. And then once you can see all of this, the next step is to navigate through to your shop manager. And then where is the shop manager located? It's located by the top right side of the screen, next to update and your account. Once you see this, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to the shop's home page. Once you're on this page, you'll see your shop's interface. Now, this is not how the shop interface looks like. The reason why mine is like this is because I am not done creating my shop account. All right, but for you, you'll be brought to your shop homepage. Once you're on this homepage, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen, sorry, where you can see some options. Now, amongst these options, choose the more option button. After choosing the more option button, in the box displayed, select issue a refund. All right, issue a refund. And then once you've done that, and you'll be asked, a box would pop up in the middle of the screen, and then you'll be asked the reason you want to issue a refund. So you can select a reason, all right, or you can decide to add an optional message to the buyer. So if you want to refund the entire transaction, choose the box by issue a full refund. All right, choose the box that says issue a full refund, and then you can now select to review refund, to review all of the information being displayed, and then click on submit. And then just like that, the refund process will be initiated. So this is how you can refund or cancel an Etsy order. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.